Tozani bogogo nomkhulu sarikwasendoda lesugogo bathini bathi umavula kuvala emzini emadoda u-Auntie Usha umalume uGift your number one locksmith. Here's the key that I'm giving today. The Muti limits. The Muti limits. Umuthi uhamba uze ufike phi ekusebenzeni kwawo. This is a very sensitive issue because I don't know where did we get this mentality that Muti is everything. I disagree. Mina, I disagree. I work with Muti every day. Every day I work with Umuti. However, I'm saying Muti has its own limits. There is no way that you can say Muti works across. No matter what, Muti will be there for you. We wouldn't have courts if that was the case. We wouldn't have graveyards if that was the case. We wouldn't have hospitals if that was the case. We wouldn't have mortuaries if that was the case. We wouldn't have specialists if that was the case. We wouldn't have courts if that was the case. So let's not lie to ourselves and say, no matter what, my Muti works. If ever I have ever said to you, as mina, as ugogo bathini Mbatha, as the engineer yomsamo, a technician, yedlos, if I've ever said to you, ukuthi Muti is everything, Muti works across, no matter what. If you're using Muti, you can take your brain and put it to rest. You can take your thinking capacity and put it to rest. You cannot, don't even monitor how you speak to people. You can put your respect into rest. Don't even close your doors when you sleep, or leave your doors open. When you go into the mall, you can leave your wallet there, your laptop, all your gadgets. You can leave it there and just go and do your shopping as if you are in Dubai and everything. My Muti will do everything for you. Please forgive me. If I have ever said that to you, you must know ukuthi I have lied to you. And I apologize. If njena kukhona umuntu owathi njena ugogo wathi yazi noma ngalala ngakhiyanga and everything, right, nothing is going to happen to me. I can walk naked on the middle of the streets of Johannesburg or Cape Town or Durban or wherever. Nothing's going to happen to you. You must know ukuthi I was lying to you, which means all I wanted from you, it was amashankurana. That's all I wanted from you. I lied to you and I apologize. Please come back for your refund. If I've ever said that to you, then I'm owing you. Please come and claim your refund and make sure you bring that Muti with you. Uphelele. So we're not there because I've never ever said to a person, now that you are using my Muti, everything, it's okay. Everything is on point. No matter what, you fine. You have asked yourself the question, ukuthi, Gogo, I thought I got everything right. I really thought ukuthi I have it right, man. You know, my cars were running smooth. Gogo, I mean the taxi industry, things were running accordingly. Gogo, I mean the car wash business, things that were going well. Gogo, I'm running a number of salons in time. Things were going well. Gogo, I'm in a fashion business, fashion space. Things were going well. Gogo, I'm in a liquor space. I run taverns. I've got bottle stores. I've got distribution points and everything. things were going well. Whatever industry of the business you are in, even work itself, Gogo, I'm an accountant by profession. Gogo, lalela Gogo, things were busy right, Gogo. Gogo, I came to you, you did say things for me. Gogo, I went to Umkhulu Sibanibani in Giyani. He really did things for me. Gogo, I went to Mhlabia Lingana. They gave me scope, Gogo. Gogo, here's my scope, Gogo. It works wonders, Gogo. I got this scope, Gogo, from Malawi, from Zimbabwe, from Mozambique. Gogo, when I first came with scope list, Gogo, it was doing nothing but wonders, Gogo. Gogo, it was showing me flames. Gogo, when I fetched this scope, Gogo, my life changed, Gogo. And I was promised, Sarwa Sendot, ukuthi right. Lalela Gogo, ngachenjiswa mina ukuthi ngi-right empilweni. Angisadingi lutho. Lalela Gogo, yonke into I was promised mina ukuthi izinto supermarket obvious. Yonke into Gogo, I was set, and Gogo, I reached a point in life where I said, come rain, come shine, everything is fine. The sky is the limit. Konke kuhamba kahle. Kusho abafundisi. Hey, Gogo. I angazi Gogo. Gogo, I don't know what is happening. Gogo, I was given I don't talk to Scoop Sam direct. I don't come to Scoop Sam and talk to it direct. Gogo, was given a horn to talk to Scoop Sam. And you talk whatever that you were told to talk. This is your cell phone to Scoop Sam. There's multi that you put inside. I'm talking about something that somebody came here and told me what they were told to do. And things were happening exactly the way they sent the message to whatever they are talking to. And things were fine. Things were okay. Things were moving. Gogo, no. Money was never my problem then. After I took that trip, money was floating in. Money was happening. Things were happening, Gogo. But we touched the move. Whatever I touched, it turned to gold, Gogo. I thought I got it all right. And now the sky is the limit. Gogo, things turned. And they left me numb. They left me speechless. Yes, I came here, Gogo. I had so much oomph to see you for consultation. But now that I'm here, Gogo, I don't know where to start. I don't know if I'm going to say it all or what. Angazi, Gogo. Gogo, angazi ngithini. Kuyabheda. I think, Gogo, the best thing to say, the easiest word to say, and the closest word to say is that kuyabheda. Things are not well at all. It's bad, Gogo. Okay. But the question that one has is, Gogo, what happened? I thought I've got it right. I thought finally I have the best muti. Finally I have things moving towards the right direction. But Coco, I'm losing everything. Each day I'm losing everything. Coco, why? Let me answer you without waste of time. But I do have time anyway. I don't do videos on the rush. Muti has limits. Muti has limits. Muti will never do everything for you. There's a video that we did where I said, when you are asking for wealth, ask for wisdom. When you are asking for something that will give you wealth, ask for wisdom to use that money. Today, I'm saying, if you're asking for wealth or you're asking for anything, good life, getting a job, getting married, getting divorced, winning that case, whatever that you are asking Muti to do, ask for wisdom to be able to understand ukuthi Muti has limits. Muti has limits. If you want that management position, you should ask yourself ukuthi, do I qualify to be the manager? Do I qualify? Do I have qualifications to be the manager? Yes, I do have Muti that makes the management to like me. At work, they like me. Lalela, they will die for me. However, I want to apply now for this position. Am I capable to do it, or my Muti will make me to be capable? My Muti will my Muti make me to be a good manager? Again, if I've promised you a management position and you don't qualify, please come in and get your refund, which means I lied to you. I've allowed hunger to take away my honesty. Muti has limits. Muti will never do everything for you. Muti works with you. I always told people, ukuthi, Muti works like ancestors. Ancestors, they work better with the plan, the future plan. Muti does the same thing. There are very limited things that you will do with Muti now because you have a problem now and you want this to happen now and you want this to happen this way now and no other time except now. Coco, I'm in trouble. I want something that when I go and see him or her, they must just forget what I'm owing them. Just like that. Coco, I ate Imali Stockfell. I used Imali Stockfell thinking ukuthi I'm investing somewhere and everything. Coco, is now October. Coco, is now December. Coco, we normally share in January, or we normally share just before Easter's, or we normally share just after Easter's. Coco, I don't know what to do with Imali Stockfell. I want something that will make them just to forget about it or just to keep on postponing it and everything. If you want somebody and they to somebody, that if you want to consult to any healer and they've given you that Muti and it worked for you, please share it with us. I think most of us will want to get that Muti. Please share it with us. You can inbox me and tell me about that Muti. I'll get you clients because I have so many people that are in a dreamland just like you. And at least you have found the key to your dreamland. we need to ask ourselves, ukuthi, how far can the Muti work? Gogo, I'm lazy. I don't want to study. I hate studying. All I want is to go to school and look good and talk too much and boast about my gadgets and all my beauty and everything. Gogo, I want Muti that will make me to pass no matter what. If you get that Muti, please refer me to that person. That should be the God himself. I'm definitely sure. If there is that Muti, please refer me to such place. Gogo, I'm very lazy in my relationship. I'm not honest in my relationship. I'm not loyal at all to my partner. I always come with stories, Gogo, to my partner. I'm a lazy partner in my relationship. Things are not going well because of me, Gogo. I'm a liar, Gogo, in this relationship. However, Gogo, I want to be married to this partner. No matter what, Gogo, I want to be married to that partner. But that one has a twist. You can be married to that person through Muti. But the truth will reveal itself in the midst of that relationship. And it will be over. Gogo, I'm not behaving the way I'm supposed to behave. I'm very careless with myself. I sleep around. I do as I please because I think I'll maintain this beauty forever. I don't care about how other person thinks. I think my mind functions with sex and nothing else. But I need Muti. In despite of all of that, I need Muti that will make my partner not to see this particular partner. I have this one and this one and this one, but I want to get married to this one. Will Muti work for you? Yes, will work for you at that time, but it's going to have its limit. There will be time whereby the same Muti exposes you, ukuthi you are not capable to be in this relationship. You can't get that position. Your nyanga gave you imuti to get that position. You are on that position, but soon the same muti will expose you to say, how did you get here? How many people do you know who bought driver's licenses? They can't drive. Gogo, I left my firearm under my pillow. That's where it stays. Okay. Do you have a license? Yes, Gogo, it's a legal firearm. Okay. But tell me more about it because you know more about this thing because you have it. What does the law says about firearms? Where must you keep the firearm? No, Gogo, as long as it's safe. I love research. Then I went to search about legally where to keep a firearm. Then when I read, it says there's two places to keep a firearm. Two. On yourself or on the safe. Lock safe. Hiding the key. Two places with you. You need to conceal it. It must be on your body or on the safe, not under the pillow, not anywhere and everything. Then it's lost. Now you are in trouble. It's killed people and everything. Now you say you have got it all right. You had your firearm, you had your driver's license and everything. You got your driver's license back at the corner. Still, you have never invested money in learning. Then you now have your license. Good enough. Your contacts helped you to get that driver's license. Are you learning now how to do things right? You've opened the shop, customers were coming and everything. They've told you your shop will never be robbed and everything. Nothing's going to happen to you. We had looting. Yes, there were shops that were protected by Muti. I will never dispute that. And I have made a video about it of people who wants to return stuff in some of the shops that they've looted during the looting. You have a shop. On my shop then, which was closed later, We moved stuff outside. Some of the stuff were stolen outside. It was never looted. No one broke into my shop and took stuff. As people go, that one is moving, that one is moving, things got lost. But I had insurance and I went to Old Mutual, I claimed, and my stuff was paid. They didn't break. I was honest with them. But stuff got lost outside. So there's a difference. My Mutu worked ukuthi they mustn't break in my shop. They didn't. But things got lost. Maybe they were not stolen. They were just taken. Somebody thinking it's mine. People were just taking things. And it was madness. Those who have experienced that trauma, they will understand. But I had insurance. I've claimed on my insurance. They paid. You have a business that is not insured, then you expect Muti to be able for you to play the role of the insurance. Insurance is there for a reason. If you don't know how to save money, Muti will never assist you to save money. Muti can assist in attracting money, and the money supposed to stays with you and everything. But how you invest your money is totally up to you. Now money is coming, you can see the money. How you invest it is totally up to you. Muti has limits. You got her, you got him, but you are very abusive to your partner. Extremely abusive to your partner. Everybody's asking your partner, what are you staying there for? Why are you still in this relationship? Do you want to leave this relationship with your coffin? Papama, wake up and smell the coffee. This partner of yours is going to kill you one day. And this happens to both parties. Women there are women that are very abusive in relationships, extremely abusive. It's not one-sided, as our government thinks that only victims in this world is it's women and children. And a child is a child because of is a child when the child is grown up. Now your child, it's a boy, it's no longer a child. So if it's a boy, no, it's no longer important. If it's a man, it's no longer important. The government is our government, they are just dreaming in their own space. They are just living in somewhere in exile somewhere. I think our government is still in exile somewhere in heaven when it comes to that part. You know, Uguti, if you have a car, it must have insurance. If Muti can really work that much, that wonders, why are we not having cars that they just drive without petrol? Why are we not getting Muti that will just put petrol on our cars? Muti can start by making sure, Uguti, yes, my car died just when I got home. I don't know what happened. Just when I got home, petrol. Just when I got home, petrol. Why are we not having that forever? So you don't know what happened, but now you start to be ignorant about you making sure that your car does have a petrol. Then Muti stops working. That luck stops because of now you are taking advantage of saying, no, things will happen. Have you ever had somebody who says, when I'm drunk, I'm the best driver? I don't know, something takes over. I get home no matter what. Wait until you are disabled and not able to drive anymore. Wait until you kill somebody. Just one life. Wait until you take just one life for drinking and driving because of when you think you've got the best Muti. When you think your Muti doesn't have limits, your Muti will protect you no matter what. Your ancestors will protect you no matter what. You heard those people. I drive better when I'm drunk. No matter what, I'll get home. I used to have that attitude. I used to ride drunk. And I sat down with myself. Actually, ubaba uSompisi, we ride with a show. Sat down with me to say, hey, Mbata, I hear on the groups people are laughing about this. You know, it's a joke. Umbatha uyile kancane and everything. Stop this. He told me straight, stop this. I don't want to come to hospital. Ngizothi wena, you should have, I should have, you should have, you should have. Stop this. And I stopped doing that. Before I was involved in an accident that could have taken my life, that it could have taken the life of an honest motorist, honest rider. Muti has limits. If you get money and all you think of when you have money is to go and have fun with your friends, is to wear those designer clothes, is to boast, is to drive that expensive car. I've always said there's a difference between affordability and qualifying. You can qualify for something. The question is, can you afford it? Yes, you do qualify to get that expensive gadget. Can you afford to maintain that standard? Can you? Can you afford? That is a question that one will ask. But we don't want to invite ourselves in that. We don't want to. We don't want to talk about that to say, can I maintain this lifestyle? You have setting a bar now for your children. My children goes to private schools, nothing but private schools. This, because you are calculating what you are earning now. You don't have a plan for tomorrow. You are not saving enough for tomorrow. You are not maintaining your life enough to know, you know what, I have this for now. I might not have it. There are possibilities, I might not have this standard of life tomorrow. It is possible. Because it was possible, you have nothing. There was a time, the fact that there was a time you had nothing, it means there is a time that you could have nothing. Yet again, how are you investing money? What is your plan B? What would you do should you lose your job now, whatever reason? What then will happen to you? How are you going to maintain yourself? How are you going to maintain the standard of your children? You have now invited yourself, you have invited yourself into this crew, into this group of people whom are living this standard. You are coming with your salary. They are there to clean the money that was stolen. But you don't know that. All they claim to you is that they are working hard. You don't know. But because of you are overconfident about this muti that you got from your healer, then you think ukuthi yonke into that you're doing is going to be controlled by this muti. And this muti is going to be relevant for you forever. How many people do you know ukuthi, hey, there was this old man. Ay bokhona ubaba uMhlongo ngasekhaya. Ay le amthandazi loyana. Baba uMhlongo is gone. He was powerful. And many people that Ubaba Mhlongo helped as a prophet, they were too relaxed, abanye, thinking that he'll be there forever. His ancestors and his gods, they've remembered him and they've taken him. Ubaba Xulu, very powerful prophet. A lot of people that have been here, that their problems, I referred them to Xulu or Nyandeni, they will understand whom I'm talking about. Where is Baba Xulu today? He's no more. He's resting. Doesn't matter what happened. You cannot rely on your muti forever. No, it's not going to happen. When you get that person that assists you, that you can see the light at the end of the tunnel, hold on that person. One. Make use of that person in a positive way. And remember that that person will never live forever. And lastly, have a plan B on your income. You cannot survive in the days that you are living in. You cannot survive with one stream of income. I'm employed and I'm happy about it. You are not saving. You are not investing. There are people still today who don't understand. Saving and investing are two different things. If I want to save this, it's easy. I'm going to take it and put it somewhere where it's safe for it. It's a saving. If I want to save, where's my 20 Rand? If I want to save 10 Rand, I'm going to put my 10 Rand where it is safe for me. If I need that 10 Rand tomorrow, I can still have it. That is saving. Investing is multiplying. I want to take this gadget and put it in Sbanibani's company so that it can make me money. Maybe this gadget it's a top of the range technology that if I take it to somewhere and make it to make, that is investment. I want to take my money and buy shares. I want to take my money and invest it in stock exchange. I want to take whatever way, that's investment, which means you want to multiply your money. Hi, Mina, I'm a good saver. Yes, you are saving, but your 10 Rand is going to be 10 Rand tomorrow. There's many savings, especially from the banks, whereby they say, no, make a saving, stop order savings and everything. And then after 5 years or 5,000 is 5,250. Because it was a saving. Whatever money that they've promised you, no. They took that money and they went to invest with it. Because now you are saving it. And Muti will never do those calculations. Gogo, I was promising Malengaga and everything on this saving. What is it called? Is it calling a saving, or it's calling investment? No, it's a saving. Muti has limits. When you are known, when ushaya spamo and everything, because of you are relying on Muti. Uguti, you'll never be caught in everything. How many people do you know at Bebo Shaspam, the most known hitmen? How many have you known? Where are they today? What is your plan B about your life? Why are you comfortable in a life that only requires Muti for you to wake up tomorrow and survive? That's another video that I'm going to do. Don't rely on something that will require Umuti only for its survival. You're wasting your time. You are really wasting your time. So today, remember, Muti has limits. Just like anything, just like life. Life has lifespan. Life has limits. No one lives forever. Siphi isilo uShaka today. Wakhothwa manini uShaka. Life has limits. We need to remember that. Ask a person who had a loving father, a loving mother, a loving grandmother, grandfather, loving parents, loving brother, loving sibling, or whatever, loving husband, loving wife. Those people are no longer there because life has limits. I miss my father so much. There are things whereby I feel Uguti, the only person who could have given me a better advice, the only person who could have prevented me from doing that mistake, especially that mistake, it was my father. But he's not there. And I've made peace with that. I've made peace with that. When his younger brother died, passed on last year. No, last year. Can't remember. I was too hurt. No, it was not last year. 2023. No, 2022 or 2023. Yeah, I think 2023, somewhere there. When he passed on, my youngest brother's, my father's younger brother, I was there at Dundee. We did all the preparations with the family. And when we got to the graveyards, I've decided not to go in. I've never seen his grave. I don't want to see his grave. We are preparing for to put a tombstone for him, but I'm not going to be part of it. I'm not going to go to the grave. That's my decision. And I'm healing well with that, and I'm okay with that. That's how hurt I am. I am not ready to see where he is, because he was my last hope. But because life has limits, and I took his teachings, because he died when I'm old. Unlike my father, I was still a young boy. But this one died when I'm old. I still remember things he taught me, things he told me, things he told me that are going to happen, and they are happening. Indlela ebuzwa kwabaphambili sari kwasendoda lesogogo bathini bathi mavula kuvaliwe emzini mayamadoda u-anti usha. Stay tuned. We're going to Ghana very soon. We're going to do the videos there. We're going to bring you nothing but the best as usual. Tozan.